Simplify 9 plus 4 root 2 over 5 plus 3 root 2, and simplify root 8 times root 10 plus 90 over root 2 minus 30 over root 5. So let's have a look at this then. Let's look at part A first of all then. Let's rationalize the denominator then. 9 plus 4 root 2 on the top. Put a bracket around it. 5 plus 3 root 2 underneath. And then we're going to rationalize the denominator, aren't we? So let's times it by 5 minus 3 root 2. And on the top we also need a 5 minus 3 root 2, of course, because we can't change the number. So there's our fraction then. So that equals, so we get 9 5 45. Then we've got minus 27 root 2 plus 20 root 2. And then lastly we've got 4 times 3 is 12 minus 12 times 2, isn't it? Root 2 squared is 2. Times the minus 12 is minus 24. All over. Now here these middle terms disappear because we're rationalizing the denominator. So we've got 5 squared is 25. The two middle term products disappear. They cancel each other out. We've got minus 9 times 2, isn't it? Which is minus 18. So we end up with then 45 minus 24 is 21 minus 7 root 2, because it's minus 27 plus 20 is minus 7, lots of root 2, over 7. 25 minus the 18 is 7. There's a 7 common on top, so we end up, take the 7 outside, we end up with 3 minus root 2. And then when we've taken the 7 out, it cancels with the 7 underneath. So we arrive at 3 minus root 2. So part B then, let's have a look at this one. Root 8 times root 10. This is 2 root 2. This is root 5 times root 2, isn't it? Okay. Root 90 over root 2 is root 45 when you use the properties of indices. So that's the square root of 45, which is 9 fives. So that's going to be square root of 9 times the square root of 5. We can write root 45 like that, can't we? Minus, this is 6 fives on top. There's a root 5 that goes into the 5, so we get 6 root 5, don't we? On top, when we tidy that up. So that's what we've got then. So here we've got 4 root 5. When we times the root 2's together to get 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 root 5 here, minus 6 root 5. So it's 7 root 5 take 6 root 5 is just simply 1 lot of root 5.